Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about fractions, more specifically about subtracting fractions and mixed numbers with the same denominator using models. To get us started, we have 3.5 minus 1.5. And so the first thing we're going to do is shade in 3.5. So we're going to shade in 3 whole circles and then half of a circle here. And now because we're subtracting, we're going to take away 1.5 from the pieces that we already have shaded. So we're crossing out 1.5 here. And then we're moving these pieces. So 3.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 4 parts out of 2, which is equal to 2 because we have 2 wholes left over. So 3.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 2. So let's do another example. Here we have 2 1/3 minus 2/3. So we're going to start off by shading in 2 1/3. So that's 2 whole circles and then 1/3. Okay? And then we're going to take away 2/3 of what we already have because we're subtracting. So here we crossed out 1/3, and then here we crossed out another third, making that 2/3 that we're taking away. So after we took those 2 pieces away, we have 5 pieces out of 3 because these are split up into 3 equivalent parts, which equals to 1 2/3. So 2 1/3 minus 2/3 is equal to 1 2/3. And then here we have 2 5/8 minus 1 1/8. So we're going to start off and shade in 2 5/8, so 2 whole pieces, and then 5 out of 8 here. And then now we're going to take away 1 1/8. So cross it out. So what I did was just cross out a whole and then 1 out of 8 here. And then if we remove those, we have 1 whole there, and then we have 4 out of 8 pieces here. In total, we have 1 4/8 left over, which can be simplified if we divide both the 4 and the 8 divided by 4, and we get 1.5. So 2 5/8 minus 1 1/8 is equal to 1.5. And that's it for subtracting fractions and mixed numbers with the same denominator.